Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It is Monday and we just have some basic cleaning and tidying up to do after the weekend. I did a ton of meal prep yesterday and all of that, so I didn't really do any other cleaning. And then on Saturday, we just kind of enjoyed outside. It's been beautiful here in Massachusetts, so we've just been enjoying the sun and just kind of doing some yard work and just relaxing outside. So I actually have, I don't know if you can tell, but I got some sun yesterday. I was so excited, but I kind of neglected the inside of the house. So, I mean, we did our general picking up and I did some laundry yesterday because I washed my sheets, but I didn't wash the kids' sheets, and I washed and did some random stuff. But today I am going to I need to tackle the kitchen. I need to mop the floors. I need to, on Mondays, I like to kind of go through my kids' rooms and just kind of pick up. They clean their own rooms and they put away their own laundry, but they're 5 and 7, so it still needs, you know, mom to come in there and clean it how I would like it clean. And what else do we have to do? I'm gonna tidy up the bathrooms. There's some organizing I need to do, just kind of getting it all done and kind of recovering from the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you consider subscribing and joining our little fun community over here. And we have been doing so much cleaning motivation, organizing motivation, decluttering motivation, all of that. So if all that stuff interests you, I would love for you to stick around. So let's get started. I'm gonna start cleaning the kitchen because we still have breakfast dishes and all of that going on. And then we will go from there.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you
everything is taken care of in the kitchen. I am just starting in Austin's room. They do make their beds, but like I said, not up to my standard. Sometimes they just can't like get the sheets and the comforter because their beds are against the wall. So I just kind of go in every few days and mom make the bed. So they always end up with a million stuffed animals as well on their bed. So I'm just getting those put away and getting all of their blankets folded up and putting them at the bottom of the bed. And then I'm just gonna go into Austin's closet. He had a bunch of Legos and toys kind of out. And also he has been obsessed and has read, in the matter of like a month and a half, 10 dog band books. All 10 of them. He just got the new one last week and he has finished the entire book already. So his bookshelf in his closet has really, you know, collected a lot of books very fast. So I just needed to kind of go in and reorganize everything and put all of the dog man books up on top and just kind of get those in order, and so everything is a little bit more organized because they were kind of all over the place.
You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, were we enemies? No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Alright, now that the kitchen is cleaned up, the dishes are taken care of, we have tackled the kids' bedrooms. Next, I am just going to touch up the bathrooms. My bathroom's fine, but the kids' bathroom, obviously, it wouldn't be a regular day without toothpaste all over the counter and the sink and all over the mirror and the walls. So we're gonna clean that up, just wipe everything down, and then we are going to vacuum and mop, and then we'll be done. We will be done. But first, I need to eat. I am starving, so I'm gonna go make a mason jar salad. Super easy, it's already made for me, so I'm just gonna dump it into a bowl, as what I mean by make. But I will show you guys what I did for my meal prep. Super easy. I didn't film it this time because I just grilled a boatload of chicken, turkey tips, I made hard-boiled eggs, I made, what else did I make yesterday? The day before I made a ton of breakfast sandwiches. I made like 25 breakfast sandwiches. I prepped like all our vegetables and our fruit, washed everything and did all that. So, but I'll show you my mason jar salad because they're super easy to prep, and I have it all like in my Fitness Pal, so I follow that to a T because I'm counting macros and just really trying to lose these last 20 pounds. So I am well on my way, but that is a side note completely separate from this video, but I figured I would just show you the mason jar salads and how good they are and how easy they are to make. So these are the salads. Everything is already in there. The only thing I don't have is the chicken because I made so much of it yesterday. It wasn't ready yet, so I just got too lazy. So I just put them in there, and then I just need to cut up the chicken, measure that out, but generally I put the chicken inside of this. But and then everything is ready to go, and it's super delicious and super healthy. That is my lunch, and it's roughly 550 calories, and it is so good and keeps me full for a while. As always, mess and toothpaste everywhere.
just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your
So now that all of the vacuuming is done, today I am giving my spin mop a little bit of a break, and I am busting out the steam mop. I haven't used this in a while, actually, since I got the spin mop. I have been obsessed with it. So I am breaking out the steam mop and just getting the floors cleaned. They weren't too bad. I just hadn't done them in probably like 3 or 4 days. How often do you guys wash your floors? Because I wash mine like twice a week, and I feel like it's a lot, but it always needs to get done. We always have like little sticky spots. We always have just grimy little people that are always in the house. So I just am curious how often you guys mop your house. So look at that pad. It was so dirty and gross. Now that all the floors are taken care of, I'm just going to start another load of laundry.
You and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go.
All right, so the dishwasher is going. I just started a load of laundry. The floors are clean. And everything else is done. The house is clean. It's all picked up. I mean, it wasn't bad. I didn't have like anything major to do, but just some things I didn't get to over the weekend. I didn't walk into the kids' bathroom because I try to walk by there with my eyes shut as much as I possibly can. But everything is nice and clean, and we are ready for the week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you here and be a little part of my community here. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.